So let's talk about the remedies for doshas in our life. सोचने से कहाँ मिलती है तमन्नाओं के शहर, सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलना भी ज़रूरी है मंजिल को पाने के लिए. So to be in a state of happiness, bliss and ananda is what the ultimate goal of life is. Everybody is born with certain inherent powers which, if cultivated in the right direction, will lead to inner happiness. The ancient Shiva Sutra text talks about the concept of Shiva and Shakti. Shiva is silence, Shakti is power. Shiva is creativity, Shakti is creation. Shiva is love, Shakti is loving. And in computer terminology also, we call it as Shiva Sutra, teaching about Shiva, describes 5 inherent powers of Shakti, which everybody is born with. These are Chitta Shakti, Anand Shakti, Gyan Shakti, Ichha Shakti and Kriya Shakti. Kriya Shakti is the one which is most visible. Kriya is not same as Karma. Karma is action born of cause and effect. Kriya Shakti is at the level of body and mind. Ichha Shakti is the inherent desires which control the mind. Gyan Shakti is the inherent desire to learn and is at the level of intellect. Both Ananda and Chitta Shakti are at the level of consciousness and represent the desires or aim to be blissful. किसी की मनोकामनाएं पूरी नहीं होती. तेरे गमों को तेरी खुशी कर दे, हर सुबह तेरी दुनिया में रोशनी भर दे. जब भी टूटने लगे तेरी सांसें, खुदा तुझ में शामिल इस जिंदगी की लौ भर दे. These 5 powers also decide the needs of a person, which can be at the level of physical body, mind, intellect, ego or the soul. The needs activate the Shakti, which in turn leads to action. The purpose of life should be to direct the needs and the Shaktis towards the soul and not towards the ego. The power of Kriya Shakti should have all the actions directed towards the soul. Gyan Shakti should be directed towards the knowledge of the true self. Ichha Shakti towards the desire or intention to unite with the self. Anand Shakti and Chitta Shakti are the bliss of God. All thoughts, speech or actions in life should be directed on 2 basic goals: providing happiness to others and achieving self-happiness. Every action and relationship in life should involve these 5 powers to attain inner happiness. यदि अंधकार से लड़ने का संकल्प कोई कर लेता है तो एक अकेला जुगनू भी सब अंधकार हर लेता है. So intention always requires the association of its body attention with it. Intention and attention. Attention is the focus of action on that particular intention. The combination of intention and attention can change perceptions of life and ultimately change the reality. सूर्य की रोशनी स्वादिष्ट होती है, बारिश ताजगी से भर देती है, हवा हमें ताकत देती है, बर्फ प्राण पोषक होती है, खराब मौसम के जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती. अगर हम उसको मौसम का आनंद लें तो सब कुछ अच्छा है. So these 5 Shaktis can acquire spiritual well-being. Health is not mere absence of disease but a state of physical, mental, social, environmental and spiritual well-being. And with these 5 Shaktis, basically 3 of them, Ichha, Gyan or Kriya Shakti, we can have a disaster with our faulty lifestyle also. So correct lifestyle involves the correct use of Kriya Shakti in doing actions, correct use of Gyan Shakti by acquiring knowledge about self and healthy behavior, and correct use of Ichha Shakti by learning the do's and don'ts of life and controlling the mind towards various addictions of life, which can be addiction of food, drugs, alcohol, smoking, sleeping, not walking, or eating faulty tamasic food which can be there. So धर्म, गुरु का ज्ञान, दवाइयाँ आदि का सदा संग्रह करके रखना चाहिए. धर्म, गुरु का ज्ञान, दवाइयाँ आदि का सदा संग्रह करके रखना चाहिए. समय आने पर ये सब चीज़ें इंसान के काम आती हैं. With this thought, we will just try to wind up this session for today. समय और समझ खुशकिस्मत वालों को ही इकट्ठी मिलती हैं. समय और समझ खुशकिस्मत वालों को ही इकट्ठी मिलती हैं. वरना जब समय होता है तो समझ नहीं होती, और जब समझ आती है तब समय नहीं होता. So I would request that the youngsters, the youth of this country should think of that, how the Ayurveda can help their rectification of their faulty lifestyle, and they can be one of the human beings which can live healthy years of 100. Yes, 100 years of healthy life. Take care.